Hey everyone! First of all, I want to thank you for all the support and love till now. Hope in the future also we will be together and I will also try my best to be there for you. So, today I'm gonna tell you about the subjects you will have to study in the first year if you are doing hospital administration. So, there are mainly 7 subjects in the first year. First subject is Foundation of Management. In this, you will know all about the management basics, its objective, its aim, importance, the functions, how to manage your hospital, how to manage if you are running a business, everything you will get to know. And now move on to our second subject, that is English language and communication. In this, first you will get to know the basic about the grammar portion, the tenses, the verbs, everything, and also you will learn how to make CV, how to develop your personality, how to improve your communication skills, precise writing, everything you will get to know here, and you will learn many more things that will be very interesting. Now, the third subject is financial accounting. So, the basic objective of this subject is to help the student to acquire conceptual knowledge of the financial accounting in business. What are the golden rules of accounts? What are the aims and objectives? How to use it? You will get to know all this. So let's move on to our next subject, that is medical terminology. In this subject, you will know about all the medical terms that is used in the medical field. That the medical professional use to communicate, like tachycardia, which means a rapid heartbeat that may be regular or irregular, and also brachycardia, that means the slow heartbeat rates. Okay, so next is the fifth subject, that is hospital and health system. In this subject, you will learn all about health, its historical developments, its definition, its importance, and also about hospital system, the classification of hospital, its management, and how to organize it. Everything you will know. So now let's move on to the sixth subject, that is health economics. First of all, you will get to know about the basic of economics, economic definition, economic function, economic aims, its types, and everything. And then you will get to know how health and economics are related, how it helps in economic development, why is investment in health necessary. Everything you will know about the health economics basics, and you will learn many more things, many new things you will learn about this, because this is a new subject and also very very interesting. So, last but not the least is medical record science. It is very very interesting. So, in this you will know about the different types of medical record, its important, why medical record is important, what are the things that is recorded, what are the types, what are the methods, and you will learn many new things and many interesting things. So, I hope this video will help you a lot to know about the Bachelor in Hospital Administration, to know about the subjects. If you have any query and if you want to know the details also, please write it down. And guys, please like and subscribe and share it too, please. Bye bye, see you soon, bye, take care.